Welcome to EqualyzAI. We are delighted to showcase our financial small language models trained with hyperlocal datasets in Yoruba and Hausa languages called AfroSLM-Finance. This demo is intended to compare the popular large language models like OpenAI ChatGPT, Meta AI Llama, and the more recent Deepseek with our homegrown small language models, AfroSLM-Finance in Yoruba language. We shall present some common examples of everyday conversations and questions that are asked by our target audience in the low to medium income demographics. This simple comparison will help you to understand the rationale behind our work at EqualyzAI to build the foundational data sets required to build usable and practical innovations that solve many of the everyday problems of the next billion in Africa and beyond, particularly in the areas of health, financial inclusion, agriculture, education, and governance. Join me as we navigate. You can also bring out your phone and do the test with me. Our first test is to translate. When you invest in fixed income, you are locking up those funds with the bank for a set period. You will be charged a penalty should you seek to take out your deposit before the lock period. The Yoruba translation provided by ChatGPT reads, Nígbà tí o bá fi owó ṣòwò nínú ìdókòwò owó wíwọlé tó dúró ṣinṣin, ò ń di owó náà mọ́ pẹ̀lú báǹkì fún àkókò kan pàtó. A ó gba owó ìtanràn lọ́wọ́ rẹ tí o bá fẹ́ gba ìdógò rẹ kúrò ṣáájú kí àkókò títì pa tó parí. Clearly, this is not a perfect translation. And then Meta AI. The Yoruba translation provided by Meta AI reads, I don't understand Yoruba yet. Clearly, this is not Yoruba, talk less of even being the expected translation. Let us see if Deepseek, the current globally celebrated disruptive model, can crack it. The Yoruba translation provided by Deepseek reads, Nígbà tí o bá náwó sí owó ìgbàdọ́gba, ó máa ń fi owó yẹn sílẹ̀ ní ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìlú fún àkókò kan tí a fọwọ́ sí. Wọn yóò san ọ́ ní ẹ̀bùn bí o bá fẹ́ yọ owó rẹ kúrò ṣáájú àkókò ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀ náà. Clearly, this is out of context. Now, let us try EqualyzAI, AfroSLM-Finance Yoruba. The Yoruba translation provided by our homegrown model reads, Nígbà tí o bá ṣe ìdókòwò nínú owó wọlé tí ó wà títí, ò ń fi owó náà sílẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ilé ìfowópamọ́ fún àkókò tí a ṣètò. A ó fún ọ ní ìjìyà tí o bá wá láti gba owó ìdókòwò rẹ kí àkókò ìdènà tó pé. Clearly, this is the most perfect translation. It is always better with a homegrown small language model like EqualyzAI because we are building well-nuanced datasets from the language owners, because many of the datasets are not what can be scraped online. They must be built from scratch. This is why we are building hyperlocal, multimodal, domain-specific data collection and enrichment ecosystem for many African languages, capturing many nuances and variations that are not yet documented to build more inclusive and purpose-built small language models, SLMs, that can enable and power innovative AI products in everyone's local language for the world's next 1 billion. EqualyzAI. www.equalyz.ai